They're roly-polies.
It's a what?
They have rolls. They're tiny little ones, and you pick them up. And
What is it, baby?
it's a roly-poly.
A roly-poly what?
That's a little roly-poly.
A caterpillar?
I see another roly-poly.
Is it a caterpillar?
No, they're just tiny, and they're brown, and they're roly-polies.
They're just tiny and they're brown and they're roly-poly. Is it an insect?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You like roly-polies anywhere you like to home. You take them home every day.
You take them home with you every day? We're going to have a farm of roly-polies?
You like your roly-polies, Baba?
Oh, I love roly-polies, baby. How'd you know? Let's get them all.
Yeah, but we can't because they're staying right there. They walk. We need to put them in our hands.
Ew.
Grab them.
I'm not really down with putting them in my hands, but...
They're tickle. They're tickle, very tickle.
Like spiders?
No, they're very soft.
They're very soft. Like ladybugs?
Yeah.
Like pupcake?
No. Cupcake is very, very bright.
Very, very bright.
Only remember, please?
Remember what?
You like roly-polies?
Yeah, I'm not really into the roly-polies, but I think they're sweet. They sound very sweet the way you describe them.
Yeah, you love roly-polies.
How about ladybugs?
Ladybugs. Yeah, ladybugs. Remember Miss Martha said? She said you need those creatures, and they're going to wear this, and you get sunscreen.
And you get ice cream?
No, sunscreen.
Oh, sunscreen. You get sunscreen. Oh, yeah, you got sunscreen all over you. Mommy dusted you. That's why there's white streaks all over you.
Muddy on you.
And there's muddy on you. That's right.